fixture.
Yes, a lift is expressive.
Yeah, these are...
The gated lift!
Lift? Yes. Yeah, I want to aim for some reason.
Ground floor.
This time it's Westfield's in Newmarket, which is a large shopping centre that recently has been refurbished. So, coming into the old section of the building which was renovated, and along to the first lifts and escalators. The lifts used to be some nice 1980s express lifts, which had the third generation fixtures. Sadly, they've now been replaced into Schindler 5400s. First, let's look at the escalator, and then let's go to the lifts.
Here we are, Westfield. Westfield's in Newmarket, and these are some Schindler escalators. Yeah, it looks very nice and modern since of the refurbishment. And yeah, these escalators aren't really too interesting, but they're still fine. So, yeah, here are some of the elevators. We'll come back to those later. These are the same escalators that are going down now. Nice Schindler escalators. We're up the grounds, and that's it.
And now to the lifts opposite the escalator. These go up to some offices.
These are some nice Schindler M-series elevators, and I think these lifts actually replaced some express lift a long time ago, so let's go up. Yeah, they replaced M-series. I think these are now MRL. Here is a lift, so let's take a look. So, okay, we can't go to 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, we can go to grounds. Let's go down. That took a long time. Yeah, these lifts obviously replaced some other elevators. Yeah, these replaced some express lifts. So yeah, and
Listening floor.
oh, they have voices. Yeah, one's locked off, and that actually looks like it's it. And yeah, these other lifts on the first floor. Yeah, they obviously did used to be some express lifts until they were modernized.
Elevator is going up.
Yeah, we can't go to 5. Wait, we can go to 5? I'm not sure. Seriously, how did I get to 5? That's crazy. We won't get out though. Here we are, 5. Let's go around. Yo, I got to the 5th floor. Doors are too slow. Used to be express lifts before they were modernized into useless. Oh, I just got that sound again from... That's interesting. Here we are, ground. Let it go. Yeah, most that looks so on one side and side. And yeah, that's it.
And now we go to the central atrium. And wow, that is really nice central atrium with 3 floors of shopping. And here, there are some more escalators, which are really nice. Let's take a look at them.
Now we have yet more Schindler escalators. Yeah, there's so many here. In fact, they all look the same. I wonder why that is. Oh, by the way, I know why that is. I know why that's the case. In fact, yeah, we won't bother going down to level 1 because, just as I said, they are all the same. In fact, they're over there, so Actually, I will go look at those ones. Schindler escalators. These are semi-interesting because I've been on these so many times. And now I'll just go back up these ones. Yeah, at least they aren't really the same. And yeah, that looks nice. Like, pretty nice. So, and those are those escalators. And now let's go back up these escalators, which are the same as those ones. No lie. There's like so many Schindler escalators, I'm surprised. And that's it.
And now, up on level 3, there is a food court, which has a platform lift, which is installed by Vesta as it isn't really that interesting. And now on to the next set of escalators, which are near the main lifts. And now, which are also some more Schindler escalators, but there is actually some Schindler travelators there as well. Let's take a look at them.
Schindler escalators. And some elevators are just over here. And yeah, I won't write all of these because these are all just bog standard. Here we are at 2M, which is an actual level here. How interesting. And now we'll just drop even further. Yeah, there's some Schindler 2400 elevators there, right? So yeah, this is a very interesting shopping centre. And here we're at level 2. And just below the escalators, we have a travelator, which is going up to the car parks. Well, how interesting. Not really that interesting. Also go all the way up to the car park, so I won't bother going down here. And we'll just turn here. Elevators there. Yeah, they all are kind of the same, so we won't bother film all of them. This is really a very interesting place. Like, really interesting. And here we are at level 2. On level 3.
And now, before the shopping centre was refurbished, there was an old lift. It was like a 90s Schindler M-Series traction lift. But sadly, when they refurbished it, they ripped out the elevator and replaced the lift with 3 new Schindler 2600 morale elevators. Let's take a look at these. These lifts have FIGS fixtures, but then they also have Durst on the insides. And these are pretty large. Let's ride them.
5500s. Oh, and look how massive these are. Yeah, these might be busy. So let's take a look. So we go to 5. Hey Dad, are you coming in? Yep. Ooh, that looks...
Just go down and up. Which one has to come?
Yeah, you can come. Yeah, these are massive. Except yeah, these might be a bit busy, so be warned of that.
You know
Some
what
big...
floor we were on?
Yep, we were on level 2. Yeah, these are some 5500s. It might have been 2400s actually, because of how big these are. And I think these go up to the car park. Here we are, 5. And this opens up on the car park. And that actually doesn't look too bad. Some nice travelators going down. Anyways, now let's go down to 2. We're not going down to basement 1 because these lifts might be a bit busy. And also, basement, and also we don't need to do a full run on these because, yeah. Capacity 32,000 kgs or 42 persons and service 2019.
That's quite a few floors, isn't it?
Oh, and also look at these. They couldn't even get Durst for them. Here we are at the 2nd floor.
Did you rope that?
And with the exact same floor. And that is it.
And now we go to David Jones, which has a Schindler 500 elevator and some more Schindler escalators.
You have some Schindler escalators and pretty standard Schindler escalators. Right. Oh, yeah, nice. Interesting. And now let's go right the other set. Here is the other escalator. Yeah, I'm going to have to move some voice in here so I can avoid copyright. Here we are, 2, and that's it. Okay, so I am not sure if this lift is in service, but let's try. And, oh, it's just on passive mode, so this lift is a 5500. Yet another one. Oh, that looks good. Let's go to 1. Yeah, in service 2019, just like all the other lifts here. Here we are, level 1. Let's go back up to 2. I have to do some pretty good editing on this because I might get copyright for this, definitely. Here we are at level 2, because level 3's countdown. So, watch it go, and yeah, that is definitely it. Here we are at this lovely thing where you get an awesome view. We'll help you take a look at the lower level soon. Anyways, that's it.
And now we go across from the refurbished building along to a brand new building, and wow, that is actually a really nice art feature. And now, unlike the other building, which had a mix of Schindler 26, 54 and 5500s, this building has all Cone 4th generation Ecodiscs with KDS printed Australian fixtures. And all the escalators are also made by Cone. And now to the first one, which is an H&M.
Yet another is Ecodisc. Wow, there are so many Ecodiscs here. Oh, this one actually looks good. So let's go to 2. Yeah. I guess the comments can guess when this was installed. Hey, wait a minute. Split buttons, but oh no, 2 different sections. That's interesting. Let's see if we can go on the other side. Call locked. So yeah, that must have been answer seriously. And let's just go down again to 1. That is a shame, and look. Oh wait, now it changed. But that was saying normal display, now it's saying call locked. So watch it go. And that is it. Yet more cone escalators. That's pretty interesting. In fact, I wonder why the lift doesn't come out. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. That's interesting. Yeah. 1, and that is it.
And now to the one in Farmers, which goes up to floor 5, but sadly, this floor is locked in this lift, which is very annoying.
Yet another Ecodisc and Farmers. And, I wonder what level 3 is in this lift. So, yep, no Ecodisc, per usual. Here we are, here's the lift. Alright, level 5's locked. So let's go to 1. Wait, this lift goes down to up to level 5? What? It's kind of interesting. Here we are, 1.
First floor.
Yeah, looks like the same. So let's go to 2. I wonder why this lift goes to 5. Maybe because it's like something. I'm not sure. Here we are, 2.
Second floor.
Yeah, a standard Ecodisc, Monday Ecodisc, and that's it. Escalator's going down to level 1. Yeah, escalator's going up about the same, I think. So that's kind of interesting. Actually, these are some cone escalators. Yeah, lift here is a Ecodisc. Good one by the way, lifts up because they're exactly the same. That's it.
And now to a cone travelator down to the basement car park.
Cone travelators, and yeah, they're a bit slowish. These go down to the basement, which is I think taxi stands. Yep, these are taxi stands over there, and if you go around here, you have the lifts. We won't take the lifts up though. So let's go up. These again. There's some cone escalators.
And now to the first set of main lifts, which, of course, are some cone discs. These lifts have an interesting handicapped button panel which you rarely see in New Zealand. Also, one of these lifts actually goes to like mezzanine floors like 2M, 3M, and 4M, and the other lift doesn't, but there was no specific button to call that lift that takes you to the mezzanine floors. How interesting.
This is interesting. They eco discs here. How interesting. And yeah, very interesting to have eco discs in here. Oh, that is a stable panel, so let's go to. Actually, which floor are you going to? This is the first time I've actually seen a wheelchair panel on the lift. Wow. Yeah, 4. Eco-disc, limited security. And look at that, right in the car park. And yeah, they have the PR skaters. Let's go. Back. Yes, in the green car park. Some nice eco-discs. Now this will go down to level 3 again. Installed in 2018. And here it opens out here, which is rooftop dining. Let's go to 3. Because my parents are in the window store and I'm not going to leave them behind this time. And yeah, also, yeah, the lift might be a bit busy, considering it's the main lift. A bit slow. Yeah, level 3. Surprised that the indicator was filming. Come back on again. And here we are. And would you look at that? This lift actually goes to the mezzanine floors. And the goodness is down there, so that's it.
And now to some more escalators that go to all floors.
You just told us we'd already been through the place. We've been up here as well.
I take those stairs down and how boring they are. Yeah, that's it. There's some very interesting elevators. I mean, escalators. These go down to the basement. Floor. Yeah, these are skeletons. Over here, down there is valet parking. Yeah, these guys are pretty short. And that is it.
And now to the next set of main lifts, which do not go to floor 4M or floor 5.
More cone eco-discs. And yeah, these ones actually have a handle, so go to 2. Yeah, we won't do 4 on these because these are kind of exactly the same. Apart from this being here, so yeah. Oh, and this doesn't go down up to level 5, so rooftop bar for you.
2nd floor.
Oh, and this has a voice. And yeah, it's kind of nice. Yeah, that's it.
And now, up on floor 4 and floor 5, there is actually a restaurants area where there's actually like a lot of restaurants and there's like a rooftop gardens area, which is actually really nice. And there is actually a non-stop lift which goes between floor 1 and floor 4, bypassing levels 2 and 3. And this lift is another configuration eco-disc. And this lift faces the street, but the lift is not scenic. Oh dear. But it's still really nice.
Here we have the lift that goes up to some rooftop dining. And yeah, there's actually kind of outside of it, which is kind of interesting. So maybe this have probably seen it.
And now, the rooftop gardens area actually looks really nice, with a lot of restaurants, a nice play area, obviously some gardens, and actually doesn't look too bad, and actually gives us some really nice views. So, yeah, that's actually really good. And now to escalators to go between floor 4 and floor 3.
Nice escalators. Lift over there, there's another cinema opening. In fact, here we are at 3M. Lift over there. Here we are at level 3. Yeah, there's going to be a cinema in level 4 soon. That's it.
And now we go into Event Cinemas, which is on the 4th floor. And you have to go and pay to see a movie in order to ride the lift. But thankfully, it is yet another Cone Eco-Disc. So now we go to a little car park which is now owned by Westfield. And the lift here is a nice Schindler 5400 with half floors.
Ooh, hey! This is the lift in the other, like, Westfield's car park. Here's the lift. It's a Schindler. Wait, that's not the 3300 Shine. Oh well, I guess that's fine. It's got a 4. It's made by Schindler. Yeah, it's got half floors. That's interesting. It's the first time I've actually seen these. And so, here we are, 4. Opens out directly onto the rain. This view, it's got a ground. Yeah, this has got D2 buttons rather than D8. What a nice for a change. Here we are, ground. But yeah, let's go. And that's... And now, off of this car park where we just found the 5400, there is an office building, which used to have an old Otis, which was modernized by Otis, but sadly, Schindler's now gone and modernized it again to look like a 5500. So, let's take a look at the lift. Okay, so apparently that's for public, so, and here we have, oh no, this used to be an Otis, now it's a Schindler. That's very interesting. Yeah, this used to be an Otis 2000, Otis, if now it's a Schindler. How bizarre. Let's see, can we go anywhere? Oh yes, we can go, it's free. That's nice. Yep, used to be Otis. George Clout's Schindler. Here we're not going to go to
You're out free. You're not going to go down to the basement. Notice what's down there. This used to be an Otis. Now it's Schindler. Oh, interesting. 1,012 kgs or 16 persons. Here at ground. And, oh yeah, you can go down the basement, so let's watch. Yeah, this used to be an Otis hydraulic, now it's Schindler. It's interesting. And that's it.